Welcome back, family. Welcome back to the 876 Zone TV. Of course, it's me, Anisha, and for today's video we're going into the lyrics of Chaka Demus and Pliers' Murder She Wrote. Like me say, when me did I listen to this song, me did hear some little things where kinda did come bubble me mind, so me say me have to go in the lyrics so me can go through it in depth with you guys and hear what I go on in the saga, cause Chaka Demus tell we one bag of things in a song. So without further ado, guys, let's get into the lyrics. All right, let's do this. All right, so the intro say, now this one dedicated to the girls them with the angel face and the devil heart. We knows a lot of them. We knows a lot of them. You know say ragamuffin Chaka Demus and youth call Pliers ragamuffin. You know say this a term ya, all ragamuffin. You know say ragamuffin Chaka Demus and youth call Pliers come to deal with the case. Step up my youth, hear this. I know this little girl, her name is Maxine. Her beauty is like a bunch of roses. If I ever tell you about Maxine, you would have said I don't know what I know, but Murder She Wrote. And then he go on to say that 2 more times. Alright. So if you check at part you know. Watch you know it name. A pretty face and bad character. Them the kind of living can hold Chaka. Follow me. A pretty face and bad character. Them the kind of living can hold Chaka. Say girl, you're pretty. Your face it pretty, but your character dirty. Girl, you just act too flirty. Me tell you about them girl, they will go on. So you know, number one, them type of girls they don't bring them around your mans. Do not brings them around your mans. Me not trust uno. Girl, you just act too flirty. You run to Tom, Dick, and also Harry. And when you find out your mistake, you talk about your sorry. Come now. Have a cozy corner where she joke and where she jam. Jesus Christ. Maxine, Miss Maxine, you have cozy corner where you go on with the bag of things them. Pliers I tell we a tour, you know, girl. Pliers I let out everything out of the bag. Let me see what else he say. Have a cozy corner where she joke and where she jam. She know Lou crack and every money man. Lou crack. She know Lou crack and every money man. She know Lou. Crack. What that mean? Crack? Oh, she know crack. Maybe this somebody who write this lyrics say that in here. She know Lou crack and every money man. Make love to the coolie, Chinese, white man and Indian. The wickedest kind of girl where Pliers buck up on. Then Maxine, you know that short pan black smarty. A white man and coolie and Indian alone, you give up the good too. Yes girl, yeah girl. Moving on. And then he go back to Pliers part where he say, I know this little girl, her name is Maxine. Her face is like a bunch of and so on and so forth. Then you go back to Chaka part now. Watch you now, stand still. You not pay me like bill. If you test the ragamuffin girl, you're going to get killed. And that's how you reach. Chaka. That was dark. Come on, bro. That was dark. Come again. Watch you now, stand still. You not pay me like bill. If you test the ragamuffin girl, you're going to get killed. Girl, keep away. Cause you a crabby. Me don't know what crabby mean, but I'm assuming crabby and nothing good. Any lyrics when me talk, I hit me DJ, okay. Girl, come out because you're not shock out. Mer. And when you hear the ragamuffin, you have to jump and shout. Achoo, Chaka, when me did I listen to that song there, me say
bad character, them the kind of living can hold Chaka family.
Maybe want go on with a bag of things, but me have to hold it. I did has to hold it. Next line now say, I'm in there because you're not shock out me. And when you hear the ragamuffin, you have to jump and shout. No touch me gate. You not pay me water rate blow. Whoa. Chaka, why you deal with Maxine suffer? Why you deal with Maxine suffer? True give her the little goods. True Maxine give her some of the good. Yeah, run with it. Chaka. Chaka. Do better, man. Lad. No touch. Lad, you sound petty. No touch me gate. You not pay me water rate because great is great. Great can't underrate. Poop, poop, poop. Bars. No touch me gate. You not pay me water rate because great is great. Great can't underrate. Bars. Follow me. And then you go back to the your pretty face and bad character. Alright. Yeah, this I know what. This a me we want get in a. This me want get in a car. When me I listen to this song, me sitting about baby in a prom and sitting on a this me want for you. Why say? Now every middle of the year this girl go have a abortion. Clutching my pearls. Now every middle of the year this girl go have a abortion. For the coolie white man Indian no seeking an infant. So that means say every time Maxine go breed, the man them when go breed for the white man and the coolie man and the Indian no want no picnic. Rock of ages cleft for me. Just the other day me see her 6 months pregnant. Now she up and sweet again with not a baby in a pram. Backside Maxine. No Maxine, you go hard girl. You are go hard. Then the amount of time you got doctor's office, them supposed to know your names and number. To the amount of time you got at the doctor office for your name the pan record. When the rest of we there try to get in the good book, you there in the book of Guinness World Record, girl. No sir. Let me go over this again. Now every middle of the year this girl go have a abortion for the coolie white man Indian no seeking an infant. Just the other day me see her 6 months pregnant. Now she up and sweet again with not a baby in a pram. Maxine. You say no baby round here. You say no pop down body round here. No girl. Yeah, bad. Then you go back to say I know this little girl, her name is Maxine. Her face is like a bunch of roses. Blah 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 blah. And then this a part I say the girl a pose and a brag how she looks sexy. All she worship is pure vanity. Then if your mother should belly you much time of your time, you don't want nothing else but vanity. She don't want tie down, sir. You don't see the type of lifestyle she want live. A hot girl, she say, the girl a pose and a brag how she looks sexy. All she worship is pure vanity. The girl a pose and a brag how she a look ready. How she look ready. When she wash her clothes it dirty. Hot girl, that's also hot girl can. Some hot girl can't wear this style them and can't wash your clothes them here. So you go. Girl, you not ready if you can't cook for me. Girl, you not ready if you can't wash for me. Girl, you not ready if you know you're flirty. Alright, sir. Girl, you not ready if you can't cook for me. Girl, you not ready if you can't wash for me. Girl, you not ready if you're flirty. And then you go back to your pretty face and bad character. Then the kind of living can hold Chaka and then murder she wrote. And then the song finish right there. So boy Maxine, I saw you go hard girl. Then after you go give Beanie Man wicked Islam and Maxine. After you go give Beanie Man wicked Islam and Maxine, you come try to take Chaka off the idiot and he run you. Hey, my body. Well guys, that's it. That's the lyrics to this song. Murder She Wrote by Chaka Demus Pliers. Hope you guys enjoyed going through the lyrics with me. And once again, like, comment, share, subscribe. Let's join up to the thing and build the thing. Comment on the thing, you see me? So, thank you guys again for joining me. I'll see you in the next video as usual. Once again, it's Anisha, and guess what? I'm out.